A very good morning to all of you and a warm welcome to all the participants, Secretary, Mission Director and other dignitaries who are present on the dais.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the National Health
Umumnya kami Azhar anak naam sekolah di Departemen Amanam Zoology.
The state department.
Very good morning to all of you. I am Jai PSC, all-round sub-center, PWB.
Dr. Tanuj Jain, we are very delighted to have with us Sri Shaju Wahid sir, Additional Secretary, SH and MWS, NHS, Government of Tripura. Once again, a very, very warm welcome. Now we are welcoming Dr. Debushri Deburma sir. He is Additional Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department and Mission Director, National Health Mission, Government of Tripura.
नीचे नामान रेटा नीचे नामान
Dr. Tanuj Jain, Shomik Deburma sir, Member Secretary. Now we are welcoming our honorable guest of honor of today's program, Dr. Tanuj Jain.
Welcome the representatives from the World Health Organizations and the eastern states and some other states in the country are still facing the problem of malaria infections, and Government of India has been supporting us all along. In the last few years we have seen some decline in the malaria. In many districts like Tripura, we are now only left with one district, Dhalai. The other districts have a normal pattern, but then the challenges remain. And with the launching of Intensified Malaria Elimination Program 3, where the target has been set to reduce the new indigenous malaria cases by 2027. So our task is cut down, and as mentioned by Sri Shaju Wahid, we have taken some novel steps keeping in with the challenges of Tripura, mainly the screening during the dry season, and we have tried to control the spread of the parasite. Our field officials have shown immense commitment, and the level of testing has been increased in last few years, and we have been able to contain at least the deaths which used to occur due to malaria. But then our target should be in the rubber gardens, in the jhum cultivation areas, the areas near water bodies, where people are still getting infected with this and there is a spread. It is also our duty to make sure that all the LLIMs, all the medicines are available in sufficient quantity, and there is a follow-up on the treatment. So I am sure that the deliberations of this review meeting will be useful in achieving the goals of IMEP 3. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you to this review meeting, and we are looking forward to the guidance by the Secretary Madam. Thank you very much.
इस मौके की घोषणा के द्वारा आज के इस कार्यक्रम नेशनल रिव्यू मीटिंग की शुरुआत करेंगे। हमारे आज के इस कार्यक्रम के माननीय मुख्य अतिथि वेलकम डॉक्टर अंजुम दास सर, डायरेक्टर फैमिली वेलफेयर एंड प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन गवर्नमेंट।
Good morning to all of you. I hope I am audible.
আমার দেশের স্বাদ গন্ধ আমার সবচেয়ে প্রিয়। আমার জয় যেমন দেশের জয়, দেশের আনন্দ মানে আমার আনন্দ। লংতরাইয়ের গুঁড়ো মশলা হোক বা সর্ষের তেল, আমার দেশের প্রোডাক্ট। আর সেই লংতরাই দিয়ে রান্না যখন খাই তখন পাই দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ। সবার সাথে সেই স্বাদের আনন্দ ভাগ করে নেবার মজাই আলাদা। দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ লংতরাই। লংতরাই, রান্নায় তোমাকে চাই।